When the bike seen what was going on, it was like, whoa, I'm gonna throw a check engine light. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as you can tell, we got some new mods on the bike. She's looking really good. Oh, and also got new gloves. I'm just feeling all kinds of brand new. We got sticker letters, and like I said before, I wanted to do a de-rusting on this, and I got rid of the bolt that went here and got like a closed one, all black. Looks great. Let's get a start up here. Just breaking in the brand new tires. Feeling really good so far. And of course, let's get to riding. Finally, we're on the road, and we're going to get into today's topic, which happens to be check engine lights and my bike in general. So me and my stepdad here did service on this bike. Of course, he did the tires and then cleaned the chain and just lubed the chain up, set up on a pit bull stand and let out in first and just let the wheels spin. When the bike seen what was going on, it was like, whoa, I'm gonna throw a check engine light. I just drove it like 10 miles down the road, turned it off, turned it back on, and it said F1. I was like, oh man, something's up with my fuel injection, whatever, but it's fine. It seems like all through the week, it's beautiful riding weather. Of course, you got to work, and then the weekend it's like, nope, we're gonna do nothing but rain. But I guess it is spring, so can't really complain too much. So if you guys seen earlier about the stickers on the wheels, huge thanks to my fiance for helping me with that, but God, I would never do it again. If these like rip up and tear off, I'm gonna get the wheels powder coated white. It's like, it wasn't a fitment issue, it was just, it's too many little cuts on the vinyl, and it's just tearing at the little thing. You got to put like protective tape over everything. So if any of you are curious on how to break in or scrub in brand new tires, when you get them on the first 100 miles, it's kind of sketchy because it's just, you know, the tires meeting the road for the first time at the speeds you're going. I wouldn't recommend going over like 60 miles an hour for the first 100 or so miles, but I will say the first like 20-30 miles is pretty stressful, I'm not gonna lie. Constantly have to, you know, weave in your lane and all that. So if any of you are curious on what kind of tires I went with Conti Motions, honestly, because he had an extra set sitting in the garage on one of his bikes, and I was like, hey, I'll just buy those off of you instead of going through Revzilla and all that stuff. So yeah, I mean, I'm not a huge guy like, oh, these tires or whatever, these tires are better for things. I just want an all-around well tire. My stepdad said, hey, these are a good set of tires and are your size. So I said, hey, let's do it. And as of right now, I checked this morning, and we're at right around 43,000 views, closing in on one of my biggest milestones since I started doing this, and that's 50,000 views. And we're at 250 subscribers right now. I can't thank you all enough for the amount of support and love I get on every video, and just the views that are coming in. It's truly unbelievable. But again, I just want to thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart. And if you're not following me on Instagram, I will throw it up here. So I think as we hit the garage, I'm going to be right at 100 miles. So she'll be scrubbed in and we'll be good to go to start all these crazy things I have planned that I cannot wait to do. But be ready for all of this stuff coming up. You guys are not ready, I swear. So if you're new, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Be sure to hit the bell button, and we'll be seeing you on the flip side. Peace.